Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to implement this add item and our data will flow from front end to the database. So let's start. So as of now, see if I enter some data here, burger. Okay. I will enter the description. Burger is spicy. Item price is 123. Image URL. I will enter this. And if I hit submit, see my data, it has not submitted in the database as you can check here. If it is present in the database, it would have displayed on the front end, right? So it is not accepting, it is not saving the data into the database. So let's write the logic, guys. So we'll straight jump into the views.py. So go to the views.py of your app, my app. Okay. So this is your add item view, which is simply creating one form object and it is displaying one form for us, model form. But that model form should save the data into the model, right? So let's write the logic for this, okay? So first we will check if the request type is post or get or not, okay? Request type post or get means what? See, if the request type is post, whatever the data you are going to enter in this, that data will be given to the server, not in the URL, but we can say in the document, that data will be sent to the server. See, if I hit submit, I am submitting one form here, guys. So when you are submitting one form, you are sending this data to the server. And when you are sending something to the server, that request type is post, guys, because we will be sending request only to the server, right? So in this case, when you hit submit, you are sending one request to the server, but that request is called as post request. Why? Because with that request, you are sending some data also to the server into document, guys. In get type of request, what will happen? Data will be sent in the URL. For example, let's say you would have filled some login registration form. So that login credentials means your name, okay, and your username will be given in the URL to the server in the get type of request. But in post type of request, when we submit the form, this data will be given to the server into one document, guys. Okay. So post requests are little secured compared to the get request. In get request, see in the URL only your data is visible. Okay. This we don't want. So here, if the request type is post, means some data user is sending. Okay. So now here first we will create one object, food menu form. Okay. So if some data user is sending via post request, we will accept it. If nothing is present, then none I will write. Why I have written like this? Certainly you will understand, guys. Just wait for it. So now whatever the data user has sent, we will check whether that data is valid or not. If the data is valid, we will tell save that data into the database. Okay, that's all. But if it is not valid, I'm telling return one form to the user. That's all, guys. Now, what is this view all about? We'll understand. But first, let's check whether it is working or not. Okay. Before that, what we have to do is go inside the form. So here we will tell method is post. Post request method is post. And we need something called as CSRF token as well. Okay. For cross-site attacks. Okay. For the security purpose. What it is, we'll discuss. Wait for it. So it is suggesting CSRF token. So whenever you are creating any form in Django, if it is sending some data to the server, CSRF token is must in that form. Otherwise, your Django will give an error to you. Okay, it is must. So we'll save the code. First, let's check whether it is working or not. If it is not working, we'll fix the error. Then we will understand the full code. Okay, I hope the code is visible like this. Okay. So I'll just go back to the code. We'll refresh it. We'll add the items. Let's say I want to add burger. Item description spicy. Item price 123. Okay. And image URL burger image I have to copy now. Burger image. So I guess we have multiple images. I'll just select this image, right click, copy image address. I'll come back and we'll paste it here. Okay, I don't think so that is a valid URL. So I'll just change copy image address and I'll paste it. Okay. Let me check. Okay, let it be. I'll just submit it. Submit the data. Okay. So now really the data got submitted. See, I have clicked on submit, guys. Let's go to the home page. See, I'm getting the burger here. Means the data got saved into the database. But now if you carefully observe, when I submitted the data, see, I'll click on add item. When I submitted the data was present here. Okay. It has not refreshed the page also. So this I don't want. When data will be submitted, it should automatically redirect to the home. This is what I want. Okay. So I'll just go back to my code. We will write if the data is valid and when you save it into the database, you just write return, redirect. Where? So I will write inside my app, we have one URL with the name home. You just go to that URL. Okay. We have one URL with the name home. So this redirect won't be present. This is not a built-in. So we have to import it, redirect method. So now if I save the code, I'll just go back and refresh it. I'll again hit add item. This time we will add, let's say, ice cream. Item description is cold. Item price is 120. Now I'll just search for ice cream image. So quickly some random image I'll copy. I don't think so it will allow to copy. No. This one I'll copy. Right click, copy image address, and we'll come back here. We'll paste it. Okay. So I'll just submit. As soon as the data got submitted, see, automatically I have redirected here and this is your ice cream, guys. Got it? Now you might be thinking, ma'am, what is this size, this size, this size, both are not matching. So you guys are pretty much expert in CSS, right? You can fix this issue. Okay. If not, we will fix it in the upcoming sessions. So now let's understand the logic all about. So first time when user is sending the data, when user is sending the request, where is that add item button? In our base.html, it is present, right? Add item button. Okay. So now listen very, very carefully. When first time user will hit on this add item. So imagine we have clicked this add item. Then which URL will be called? Add item URL will be called. So where is that add item? Inside urls.py of my app. So we'll go to the urls.py of my app. Do we have any URL with the name add item? Yes, we do have. So this path will come automatically here in the address bar. See here. If I click here, automatically that path I got it here. Okay. Because when you click on that button, this path will come into the address bar and which view will be called? Add item view will be called. So where is add item view? Add item view is present here. Which type of request I have sent to the add item view? See here. First time when you click on this add item button, are you submitting any form? First time, see, I am present on the home page. I will click on add item. Are we submitting any form? No. So that is not a post request, guys. That is a simple get request. Okay. So to this view, we have sent get request. Okay. So here we are telling from the post request, whatever the data you got, you collect it. But do we have any data in the post request? No, our request type is only get. So none data will be collected. So inside this form variable, nothing is present. None data is present. So I'm checking, is none data valid data? No, it's not valid. Then what will be executed? The statement which is present outside of this if will be executed. And what this statement is telling, whatever the form you have created here, the object of this food menu form. Okay, creating object for food menu form means in the maybe last to last video we have discussed about it. See, when we create one object for food menu form, actually one form will be created like this. Okay, okay, understood. So here I am telling, whatever the object you have created, in that object, is user sent some data? No, user has not sent any data, guys. So consider null data. Null data is not a valid data. So whatever the form you have created, display that form to the user. So that's why first time when we click on this, we are getting the form with none data present in the input fields. So if I check, see, none is present here, none is present, none is present. Why? Because first time we sent get request to this, okay, none data will be considered for this food menu form, which is not valid. So it will return and render one form for us. So let's fill the form now. Okay. Inside this, I will write idli. Description is spicy. Item price is 1, 2, 3. Item URL, some URL, or I'll just copy quickly the image of idli. Okay. So we'll hit enter. If I go to the images, yeah, multiple images I have. So randomly one image I'll select. I guess it is loading. So I'll just right click on this. I'll copy image address. We'll come back here. Okay. And we'll paste it out here. Now I'll just submit. See, as soon as I hit submit button, which view will be called? Again, add item view only will be called. If you are thinking, ma'am, how add item view will be called? You can give action here, guys. Okay, by default, add item only will be called because whatever the request we got, the form we got because of this view only, this add item view only. So again, this view only will be called. But if you want to give the action, you can give the action, guys, like this, action. And inside this action, we can give the URL. Okay, like this, how we have given the URL in the previous classes. So URL, inside this, I am telling, go to the my app and invoke which URL? Add item URL. So what is the meaning of this? When user will hit on submit button of this form, which URL it should call? Add item. So if you go to the URLs, do we have add item? Yes. What this add item is doing? It will invoke add item view. So go to the views. Again, add item view will be invoked. But this time, add item view got invoked because of get request or post request. See, when you will hit submit, then also add item view only will be called. But because of get request or post request, post request. So in post request, whatever the data you have given, that data we are collecting here, we are checking, is that data valid? If yes, save that data into the database and automatically redirect to the home page. So that's why if I hit submit, see that data got saved into the database. I redirected automatically on the home page, and this is your item idli. I hope I am clear with this. Okay. So this is your logic to accept the data from the database. Okay. So I guess we have did the changes only in the views.py, correct, right? Yeah. Only the view we have changed. That's all. So this is all about this video. In the next video, we will learn update functionality as well as the delete functionality. Okay. Fine. And plus we have to design this details page as well, right? So we will design it in the next video. Thank you everyone and have a good day.